Tired of endless lawn care and high water bills in Avondale, Arizona? Say goodbye to constant maintenance with our artificial lawn installation services. We specialize in creating stunning, hassle-free lawns tailored to your unique outdoor needs. Our artificial lawn installation in Avondale, Arizona, is the perfect solution for homeowners and businesses who want a lush, green lawn all year long. Whether you're looking to upgrade your backyard, enhance your front yard curb appeal, or improve your commercial property, we've got you covered. Why choose an artificial lawn? Not only does it save time and money, but it's also an eco-friendly option. Say goodbye to watering, mowing, and harmful fertilizers. Our high-quality artificial turf is durable, pet-friendly, and built to withstand the Arizona heat while looking fresh and vibrant every day. As experts in artificial lawn installation in Avondale, we pride ourselves on delivering exceptional craftsmanship and customer service. From initial consultation to final installation, our team ensures every detail is handled with care, so you can enjoy a flawless lawn without lifting a finger. Imagine a worry-free lawn that stays perfect all year round. No more patches, no more weeds, just a stunning outdoor space that enhances your home or business. Don't wait to transform your yard. Call us today at 520-253-7600 to schedule your free consultation. Let us show you why we're the go-to choice for artificial lawn installation in Avondale, Arizona.